Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my nails with nail lacquer. First, I'm gonna prepare something. I'm gonna cut this purple thing into small pieces. It was pretty hard work, as the pieces jumped away and it took forever to create seemingly enough pieces. I made this many, probably too many. I applied D-Up Strong Guard as base coat and dried it well. I'm gonna be using these two color polishes, PAE 13 and Paradu Mini Nail GY 5. I'm painting the PA polish on the thumbnail. I'm gonna make wisteria themed nail art today. This polish is basically white, but it's slightly pearly with purple shade, so it's perfect for the wisteria vibe. Now I'm painting the Paradu polish on the little fingernail. I'm gonna make gradient on this nail. I'm gonna do the same art as a thumb on the ring finger. I'm gonna make ombre on the middle and index finger with the PA polish, just like the pinky. This PA polish is perfectly sheer for making ombre and it doesn't get patchy. I just love it. I'm gonna dry them for 7 minutes. I'm painting the PA polish for the second time. Before it dries, I'm gonna put the tiny purple pieces on it. I'm arranging them to make a wisteria shape. These little pieces tend to get thick on the nail and pretty bumpy. It would be pretty hard to flatten them even with gel nail. How can I flatten them with nail lacquer? I have some plans, but I didn't try or practice them, so I wonder if they will go well. Now the polish is getting dry. I tried pressing it with my finger. The polish dries fast. It's not really sticky. It's a little rough on the surface. Let me try a stamper. Oh, whoops! One piece got stuck on the stamper. At this point, using my finger is the best choice. I'm doing the second coat on the pinky with Paradu Mini Nail. I fade it with Nailist Crystal Top Coat too. When I get too much polish on the brush, I use a silicone mat on the table to get rid of excess nail polish. I'm painting PA on the ring finger. I'm gonna put purple pieces on it. There's a famous wisteria spot near my place, but I haven't gone there yet this year. I should go there with this wisteria nail art, shouldn't I? When I touch it, I can feel the roughness. I'm painting the second layer of gradient on the middle finger. This Paradu Mini Nail polish works perfectly for making gradient. The color, the sheerness, absolutely perfect. I'm gonna dry them for 7 minutes. Let me show you the uneven thumbnail. It's pretty rough, isn't it? What should I do? Okay, I'm gonna use this air dry foil glue from Temu. After painting it, I'm gonna do the pinky, the third layer of gradient. It's going super smoothly. I'm painting foil glue on the ring finger. I'm making gradient on the middle and index fingers. I'm gonna dry them for 7 minutes. The foil glue is dry and really sticky. I don't think it's a good idea to touch it with my finger. I'm pressing it pretty hard with a stamper. Now I'm doing the ring finger. I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat. I'm painting it pretty thick. I know it doesn't get cracked. It is still pretty rough on the surface, but I think Sechavit will do the magic. I'm painting Paradu gel top coat on the ring finger as well. I came up with an idea of using an acrylic stamp stand. The polish is still soft. You can use a CD case instead of the stamp stand, if you have CDs at home. Ring finger became pretty flat now. The thumb is still rough, but it's an okay level. I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat on the ombre nails. After painting gel top coat, I'm gonna dry them for a few hours. I'm gonna stamp on the middle finger. I got this plate from Shein or Temu. I have too many plates, I can't remember where I got it from. I'm gonna use Cat's stamping polish. The color looks completely different inside. This is going to be Wisteria's leaves. Unfortunately, the color didn't come out as I had expected. I'm gonna paint matte top coat. I'm trying to paint it gently in order not to smudge the leaves. When it's dry, I'm gonna paint wisteria with acrylic paint. I'm using a brush end to put a little water on the palette. I'm being careful not to dry the acrylic paint. Oh no, the line isn't as straight as I want it to be. I'll just keep painting. Maybe I should paint one more bunch here. Nah, I don't like it. I'm gonna erase it with ethanol. I also use a cotton wood stick to paint. I think I'm done. I can't remember if nail lacquer smudges acrylic paint or not. Bon Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil is always safe to paint. I'm gonna apply Seria to finish the art. I'm painting Seria on the pinky and the ring finger, but I have to skip the middle finger as it's one step behind. I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat instead. If I paint Seria without gel top coat, the nail art shrinks a lot. Seria on the index finger. After a few hours, I painted Seria on the middle finger. So this is a final look. You might be wondering what happened to the bumpy thumb and ring finger. This happened. It looks pretty smooth, but here it's a bit rough. It's okay though. And this is a ring finger. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. The thumb and ring finger shine beautifully under lights and the sun. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!